This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Let me share. By the way, you and Isaiah, suddenly you weren't here for this, but last week, was it last week? I think on Friday we talked about the Mind email tool, and so by the way, so I think it was no, maybe I did show this real quickly, but the I recreated the remind instead of using the email service. This I can say.
Oh, the reminders. Okay, cool.
And I can say when in 1 minute, and it should.
Oh, that's so cool.
Whether it is do an email reminder or a toast notification or both.
Or both. That's so cool.
Example. But what was interesting was the site that they were using, they didn't have an API. And it said coming, and they said it's been coming for a long time. So I switched to a different service, which is free, and you can generate an API key. It's still free. The limitation is they only let you project out for 30 days.
Okay. So you cannot do a 6-month thing.
Right. But we all know we can just build a queue manager to store it locally and then,
and then do it. Well, again, also using the task scheduler. I have been kind of like seeing that we don't use enough of what is built in to Windows. Yeah. I remember when we did the queue manager for what was it? The emails, the drip campaign, right? And then later I just realized, gee, I just should have done one line of code that sends the email and then just queue those in the task scheduler. It would have been so easy.
Yes,
but we do. Yeah.
Hold on, I don't know if you're forgetting, but you're not mentioning. We later realized there was a WordPress plugin that actually
exactly like Jesus, that negated the whole thing, right? Exactly. So the point is, a lot of times, like these type of things. Oh, I cannot schedule that. Well, you can schedule it with Windows. You don't have to build anything. It is there. You just connect to it and do it. There's a lot of things that we miss just because.
So my point from last hour also knocking program, and this was knocking me because I was like, hey, I just outlined to AI. I'm trying to help local businesses make it easy for them to capture leads. The problem is everyone's not technical. And I don't want to be forking out the money for it. So can we find a free way to do this? And it came back with the Cloudflare Workers thing. And I said something to Ryan. I was like, it's really impressive the stuff they give away for free, the stuff you can do.
Right.
Never would. Thankfully, I asked AI of like, hey, how can I do this without spending a fortune? And it came back with a great solution. All paid for. Like I said, I didn't have to register the domain. But anyway,
so interesting.
I wasn't aware of it, right? But it's great to be able to ask AI. Maybe what you're thinking isn't the best approach. You know what I mean? So
yes, 100%.
Irfan, you want to show real quickly the update to XP search? Or no, sorry.